Windows play a vital role in your home's aesthetics, energy efficiency, and comfort. For Dallas homeowners, where weather conditions can range from blazing summer heat to occasional storms, finding the right window replacement solutions is essential. Standard windows often fall short when it comes to addressing the unique needs of your home, but custom window replacements offer tailored solutions that enhance performance, style, and value. Here's how custom window replacement solutions can transform your Dallas home and why they're a smart investment. Perfect fit for unique spaces. Every home is different, and window openings can vary in size and shape. Custom window replacements are designed to fit your home's exact specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Non-standard sizes. Custom windows are ideal for homes with irregular or oversized openings, providing a seamless fit. Specialty shapes. From arched to circular windows, custom solutions allow you to incorporate unique shapes that enhance your home's character. Better seals. A precise fit minimizes gaps and air leaks, improving insulation and energy efficiency. With custom windows, you can replace old, ill-fitting windows with ones that integrate flawlessly into your home's design. Enhanced energy efficiency. Dallas's hot summers and mild winters can put a strain on your HVAC system. Custom window replacements allow you to choose energy-efficient features that keep your home comfortable while reducing energy costs. Low-E glass reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Double or triple pane glass. Insulated glass with inert gas fills, argon or krypton, minimizes heat transfer, improving efficiency. Customized frames. Materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or wood can be tailored to your energy needs, offering superior insulation. Energy-efficient custom windows are a tailored solution to combat Dallas's climate, providing savings on utility bills year-round. Designed for Dallas weather. From intense sun to sudden storms, Dallas homes need windows that can handle the region's unpredictable weather. Custom window replacements are built to withstand these challenges. Impact-resistant glass protects your home during severe storms by resisting shattering from debris. Weather-resistant frames. Materials like fiberglass or vinyl resist warping, cracking, and fading, even under extreme heat or humidity. Proper drainage systems. Custom designs can incorporate features that manage rain and prevent water intrusion during heavy downpours. By choosing custom windows tailored to Dallas weather conditions, you ensure your home remains safe and secure. Tailored style and design. Custom windows offer endless options for personalization, allowing you to choose styles, finishes, and features that align with your home's architecture and your personal preferences. Frame colors and finishes. Match or complement your home's exterior and interior design with a variety of color and finish options. Unique styles. Choose from casement, double hung, sliding, bay, or specialty-shaped windows to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Decorative glass. Add frosted, stained, or etched glass for a touch of elegance and privacy. With custom windows, you're not limited to off-the-shelf options. You can create a look that's uniquely yours. Improved comfort and functionality. Custom windows are designed with your lifestyle in mind, offering features that enhance both comfort and usability. Ventilation options include operable windows like casement or sliding designs for better airflow. Soundproofing. Double or triple pane glass reduces outdoor noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. UV protection. Advanced coatings block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. These tailored features ensure your windows meet the specific needs of your household. Increased home value. Custom windows are a premium feature that adds significant value to your Dallas home. They not only improve functionality but also elevate your property's curb appeal. Enhanced aesthetic. High-quality, custom windows give your home a polished, well-maintained appearance that attracts buyers. Energy savings appeal. Energy-efficient windows are a top selling point in today's eco-conscious market. Durable investment. Custom windows are built to last, ensuring long-term performance and reducing the need for frequent replacements. Whether you're planning to sell or stay, custom windows boost your home's value and appeal. Professional installation for maximum benefit. To fully enjoy the benefits of custom window replacements, professional installation is key. Expert installers ensure your windows are fitted correctly and perform as designed. Precision fit. Custom windows are measured and installed to exact specifications, eliminating gaps and air leaks. Code compliance. Professional installers adhere to local building codes and standards, ensuring safety and quality. Warranty protection. Many custom windows come with warranties that require professional installation for coverage. Working with a trusted local professional ensures your custom windows are a lasting investment. Conclusion. A smart choice for Dallas home. Custom window replacement solutions offer unmatched benefits for Dallas homeowners, from enhanced energy efficiency and weather resistance to personalized style and increased home value. By choosing windows tailored to your home's unique needs and challenges, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, beautiful, and efficient living space. Ready to upgrade your windows? Consult a trusted Dallas window professional to design and install custom replacements that meet your exact specifications. With the right custom windows, your home will stand out and perform better for years to come.